Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can edit your message when you send to your friend on Google Chat. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you need to go Google Chat. If you don't download this, then you can download it, and you can also get it on your Gmail. So I'm just going to click any user. So I'm just send some text to him. How are you? And then send, or I can write, what's your name? What's your name? So it's name. It's like wrong name. So when you think that the name is wrong, and you see that it's you want to change it, then how can you change? Just simply click on the text, then you will see something here option and send feedback. And the thing is that uh, you cannot edit your text, okay? In Google Chat this feature is not available, so you are not able to change it. It's not like the other social media. I think you got the point. Okay, thank you for watching this video.